And now, Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Lexi Birmingham.
Well, the time now is 8:11 on this Tuesday morning, and if you did miss out on the information earlier this morning or later on last evening, we'll take a quick look at the recap of our tornadoes that we did see on Easter Sunday. Right now, there is a preliminary rating of an EF3 for the one in Ouachita Parish, including the Monroe area, that have max winds of about 140 miles per hour. The next one was the one in Bienville Parish near Arcadia. It does have a preliminary rating of an EF1 with max winds of about 112 miles per hour. Now, there is still the Sterlington area that hasn't been surveyed just yet. Most likely, the National Weather Service did run out of daylight, and most likely they will be returning later today to observe that damage and give that storm a rating. In the meantime, though, it is a beautiful start to our Tuesday. Just take a look at that clear, big blue sky off towards the west. Temperatures are slowly beginning to improve as well for some areas here in the Twin Cities. We're now up to 47 degrees, but again, that breezy winds at about 11 miles per hour is going to make it feel a little bit cooler out there. So again, make sure to have those jackets as you head out the door. And some of us, not all of us, starting to see a much needed improvement. Shreveport's now up to 46 along with Natchitoches. Ruston, however, struggling just a little bit. They're now up to 43. They were at 41 degrees in our previous hour along with Camden. And Vicksburg now getting up to about 51 degrees, 47 for folks in Natchez. Live storm tracker Doppler radar showing you that we are nice and quiet. No sign of any kind of precipitation, but there is a little bit just outside of our area along central and northern Arkansas and areas off towards the west. Now, it does look like the Texas Panhandle did get a little bit on some snow dusting, maybe even a little bit of some flurry activities, and maybe even portions of northern Arkansas as well. Won't be sticking around for very long because our temperatures will be warming up way above that freezing mark, and the temperatures at the surface as well are nowhere near 32 degrees. In the meantime, though, winds will continue out of the north for today, which will keep our temperatures a little bit on the cool side, ranging anywhere from the upper 50s and lower 60s for later this afternoon before we drop back down into the 30s and 40s overnight tonight. Starting tomorrow, there is going to be a little bit of improvement with our temperatures. We'll see highs get back up into the middle to upper 60s before we get back down into the middle to upper 40s as we head into your early Thursday morning. And good news, too, we will continue to stay nice and dry over the next few days. We are tracking a very weak front that could possibly move in by Friday. Won't be doing much, but could possibly bring a few spotty showers back to the area, and cloud cover will start to increase. So far, Saturday looking nice and pleasant at 72, but possibly could see some thunderstorms returning by Sunday.